Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare egg drop curry. The ingredients required to prepare this curry are: I have taken 3 medium sized onions and I have finely chopped them. 4 eggs, I have taken the white one, you can also take the yellow eggs. 2 medium sized tomatoes, finely chopped. You can also use tomato puree if you want. I'll be preparing this recipe in mustard oil. Salt as per our taste. Here 2 green chilies. I have slit them like this. 1/4 of it I have cut. Here I have taken half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, friends, for the color. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So now let's start the recipe. So the first step is let's heat oil. So here I am heating 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and then I will add the chopped onions into the mustard oil. Saute this till the onions get slightly cooked. Now as the onion has become slightly translucent, so I will add the ginger garlic paste. Mix it. I will also add all the dry spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and also the turmeric powder. Since the masala needs little moisture, so I will add the chopped tomatoes also. Salt as per our taste, because tomatoes needs to get cooked, so please add salt as per our taste. This will help the tomatoes to get cooked faster. Now saute this masala over a medium flame till the masala gets cooked properly, and also the tomatoes becomes nice and soft. Now friends, as you can see, our masala is cooked properly. It started leaving oil. So at this stage, we will add water to this recipe. I have added 2 cups of water. Mix it. And now I will cover this and bring it to boil. Put it over high flame and let this boil. Now friends, as you can see, the curry is boiling. So I will reduce the flame. And the next step is I will take this egg. I will slowly break it, and from one side I'll just drop this egg into the curry. Again I will take the other egg, I'll break it, and again on the other side of the curry, first let me open it a little bit, the other side of the curry, again drop it. Same way I'll break this another egg. So I'm using 4 eggs as I have told you. Be careful the eggshells. Drop it. and then the last egg. And now I will put the flame into medium, put the green chilies on top. Do not worry friends, the curry will not get the raw smell of the eggs. It will get cooked very nicely and it tastes very yummy. And now cover this lid and cook over medium flame till the curry boils nicely, or you can say for another 5 minutes. Now friends, after 5 minutes I will open the lid, and as you can see, the eggs that I have dropped in is cooked. I'll increase the flame. And cook for another 2 minutes over a high flame, like this only, without the lid. After 2 minutes friends, if you have fresh coriander leaves, you can add fresh coriander leaves now. If you don't have, like I don't have it right now, so I'm not going to use it. So what will I do? I will cover this and I will put off the flame, leave it for 2 minutes like this so that the curry gets set properly, and then I will transfer it to the serving bowl. So let's leave it like this for 2 minutes after putting off the flame. Now friends, after 2 minutes I'm going to remove the lid and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our yummy egg drop curry ready. As you can see, this is the yolk of the egg and the white part is already mixed and cooked in it. And trust me friends, this tastes awesome and you will not get the smell of the raw egg. Serve it hot. If you have fresh coriander leaves, you can garnish it. It's very easy to make, and then you don't have to fry the eggs or boil the eggs. If you are an egg lover, you will definitely love this recipe. If you liked my video friends, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching friends. See you soon. Bye.